Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's next big release, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Stick around because we've got some juicy leaks and updates for you. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing tech content. Samsung is gearing up to launch the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and fans were buzzing with excitement for a huge battery upgrade. However, new leaks suggest otherwise. Let's dive into what we know so far. Initially, there were whispers of a massive 7,000 mAh battery for the S26 Ultra. But according to recent leaks from a reliable tipster, that's not happening. Instead, we're looking at a battery capacity of around 5,500 mAh. While it's a slight bump from the 5,000 mAh in the S25 Ultra, it's far from the 7,000 mAh we were hoping for. So, what does this mean for all you Samsung fans out there? Well, some experts believe Samsung tested larger batteries in their labs, but decided not to include them in the final product. Instead, Samsung might be focusing on improving battery efficiency rather than just size. This could still mean great battery life without the massive capacity. We know many of you were expecting a significant battery upgrade, especially since some competing brands offer phones with close to 6,000 mAh or more. But don't lose hope yet, Samsung's optimization and software improvements might still surprise us. It's important to remember that these details aren't confirmed by Samsung yet. So there's still a chance for surprises. We'll have to wait for the official announcement to get the full picture. To sum it up, the Galaxy S26 Ultra may not have the massive battery upgrade we were hoping for, but with Samsung's focus on efficiency, we might still get great battery life. What do you think about these leaks? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting tech news.